You see, a Xiaomi camera with a good case here. This has been taken apart, or was it dropped? It's already dented, and then I noticed something stuck in this gap. Also, the footpad was removed. It's been taken apart. Let's open it up and see if there are any old parts left, hopefully. Just pry it open directly. Oh my god, look how empty it is inside. Damn, how did this connector fall off? Look here. How did a connector fall off? This is the cable connector for the left-right head motor. All of them are broken. Look, this is the cable for the pan motor. This is not good at all. The wires are twisted all over this motor. Let's dismantle it and check. Remove the pan motor. Damn, look, everything underneath is unplugged, even the top is unplugged. Why are all these wires twisted together? This is getting complicated. Oh look, there's still a wire connected here. Look, it's connected here. Let's take a look. This camera is really strange. The wires are indeed not broken, so why are they twisted like a braid here? What's going on? Anyway, let's ignore that for now and open this side first. Why is it dented here? Look, this stuck-in thing has slid inside. Let's open this part. This thing was probably caused by a fall. Ouch, took it out? See, it slid down straight from here. Luckily, this part is not broken, so if it's installed like this and stuck here, it will be fine. See, now it's normal here. Next, let's continue disassembling and take out this cable. I'm going to see if I can find this type of cable. The connector is quite tight. This one and this one, two camera parts. I have many, like 5 or 6. Let me grab one to see if it's the same. Looks like it is the same, see. Even the cable continuation is the same with orange, red, black, yellow, and brown colors. The connector looks the same too. You see, it is the same, but this one can't be used. It is corroded. Let's take apart a new one. This one is no good. I just grabbed another one here. This one doesn't have a sleeve. We'll use this, dismantle it, and then fit it here. Okay, 2 cables have been taken out here. Let's compare the wire sequence to see if it's the same. Flip it like this, yellow, orange, red, brown, black. Exactly the same. Alright, we'll use this one. This one is the same too. This one isn't aligned yet, but it's the same. Black on this side, red on the other, no problem. I was still thinking the wire positions were fine, but as expected it's damaged here. Look, there is a hole stuck here. Maybe when I turned it, it would get stuck here sometimes, but before it was dropped it was probably broken here, because after it fell the camera might have deformed or something. When I turned it just now it got stuck briefly, so I thought it wasn't broken. Look, a piece fell off here. Let's patch this part up. The wiring here has been fixed. Spin it around, it will get stuck here. Turn it around, it gets stuck. Next, put it back together and test it. Alright, just pieced it together roughly. Let's plug it in and see if it can self-test. Hopefully nothing else is broken from the fall. The light is on, wait a moment, no problem, it can turn. It can also move up and down. Next, let's reset it and connect it to Mi Home. You've already seen from the earlier video, no problem at all, it works normally. Alright, this thing is good now, done and dusted.